Good morning and welcome to Obed TV on YouTube. Arapen mobi akwaba. Yɛde nsɛm no ɛde ɛbrɛ mu. Kumasi Asante Kotoko ne egyina kono enye asɛm ketewa. The 12th match ɛna Asante Kotoko ɛbɛbɔ against team a yɛfrɛ no Nsoatreman. Nsoatreman is a very stubborn side in the Ghana Premier League. Wɔn ɛha adwene paa. And at their home grounds, we check your last season. My dear Bakwa Nsoatreman almost stay in the Ghana Premier League na koyi is how they perform when they are playing in front of their home fans. And Osande last game boy against Brekum Chelsea. Our team ko share Chelsea and ama Chelsea so they bufu more dreams na emam komono eye nika. So playing against them, it's a very difficult one. And then they have Asante Kotoko lineup. Based on training grounds or more yeah, there's your monitor you know, and on a jete air premo. But and ra as some papa be shadam for fears and reno and Yan and TS team of Legon cities on the Ghana Premier League ball match against Samates or Summer Boy. Na omonam kwan so omo ba no na arehosem ne say akonfaren for eto show omo so na omo sika ewo omo nyina no akonfo yi eji ene omo phones eji edifiri omo ho eno asem a efiri oba on say omo call Summer Boys on their way to Accra and at this particular issue ekosi ya Trese na nsem bebre arehosem pa na obehwe na Samatesi ache Lagos Cities asheno by 3-0 na yasho 3-0 na onam kwan so kofie na akonfo asan akoto ahye so de na Trese arehosem kakra efiri ho eba enti for now news about just almost obi eni ho a oprai ewo nkomodie but it's still a bad news. It raised questions about clubs in Tukwen rare and the kind of security of the Tukwen. Not the best of news, but I see. And the clubs now can find there are so many dangers in the game. But now Ghana Premier League matches now course no. Nation Services share 4 out to you and me and Shady. Hard to folk actually a year media machine 3-1. Na wenya aduana star session bofo akwata no 4-2 enra na nya asem keto ya she Olympics ama chese omo coach ano kakra ko post match enti aduana 4 bofo akwata no 2 na wenya have to folk 3 mediama 1 nation FC 4 RTU 0 Bechem United 2 Great Olympics 1. There's a Bechem Oma Formujan, Karela 1, Gold Stars 1. And no AD Frioba, and a Samates. I rehearse semi Frioba, and so after some Legon Cities for a cow, Monday ever back field. As I comfort to Ashon, so Samates so share Legon Cities by 3-0. T. Karela, any Gold Stars game, let me call and day in a draw. They are Canadian. There's other teams ni BBA and the home teams ni BBA the go away teams. So but let's go to Asante Kotoko. Asante Kotoko match your mobile and then it will be the most unpredictable Asante Kotoko starting 11. You need deep sources to get the starting 11 of Asante Kotoko. The Inter-America Sane said, and no be a TS Obed TV, I remember 20-man squad, me bonito, Dala Ibrahim, Frederick Asari, Prince Addison. Because a center back with Miss Amber right back position. Nicholas Osebo Nana Benjamin a toss of 5. Number 6 with Timney Henry Ansu. 7 Yusuf Nuruddin. 8 Sharif Mohammed defender. 9 Sharif Mohammed midfielder. 10 Rocky Jamna. 11 Andrew Sintimiani. 12 Michael Che Jamna. 13 Richmond Opoku. 14 Eric Zeze. 15 Shadrach Ab. 17 16 Mom Abranti friend Julius Oforizigi, 17 Kalu Atara, 18 Steve Mukwala, 19 Ben Asuma, 20 Peter Aqua, Kotoko 20-man squad in it. 2 Tie Dina. Obo say right back for no last week, more team was Augustine Japan Fuseni Sahaku. Obia making the team. The next right back or Honos Makano Asamacho or Samuel Asamoah Nessie injury, Johnson making the team. To right back for an Obi anymore. Meaning the right back position, no, to grab up that of course, 2 net ball last week. No. Obi and Timmy and Siakan. Now I'll talk about that. Other positions in defense near stable. Midfield, central midfield is stable. But the ball got to number 10 position was Richmond Lamptey. Lamptey actually out of the game. Enti players Timmy and Bob in Japan, Fuseni Isahaku, Samuel Asamoah, Richmond Lamptey, John Tedeku, Justice Blay, Enoch Morrison, Baba Yaya, Isaac Kopon, out of the game. Therefore, the right back position and the number 10 position, the creative midfielder, space header. Now, moving on to the conversation. In the middle of the game, Coach Ogumie changes. Utie. And Julius Ofori be Kalu Watara. So questions neighbor. And until America said predicting or coming up with this Asante Kotoko possible level bedding based on sources. But the Bayama and 3 o'clock Bebono. Don't say the buy and one of Mujina Park. This is why it's also difficult again. As I said, Kotoko Sunday into a recovery Monday. Training and Gasa Tuesday, tactical training Tuesday, and I back Wednesday and and 2 weeks. A call a yesunan. I'll go see a can Nsoatreman. So I just 1.5 training and Asante Kotoko. So based on that, even if we're training grounds you cannot really see the true starting 11. Because true starting 11, coach need to do training bed 3 times. But in this case, or starting with more, not the way I shame, not the way I shame. Creating that room of doubt in the starting 11. Now that's what I can tell you according to Command Mimedi. Dalal Ibrahim will still be the goalkeeper. Undisputed. He won the man of the match in the last game. He was exceptional, and there's no way the coach is dropping him on Nena. Nicholas Osebonsu, the technical team, extremely impressed with his performance because now we have Emmanuel Ano, we have Clinton Diodu, now we have player bit to say Augustine Okran, we have Emmanuel Benyona, they were okay. Harry Ansu Yusuf Nuruddin will play. Okay, now based on training, Obi onim time Asante Kotoko sign Andrews in team NBR. Tieni profile a buy and say Otimbo number 6 as about right back, about center back. That was the profile buy. Now you be Coach Ogumo post match said Obed use Sharif Mohammed as right back. Coach Ogum said that he will not use him unless in the middle of the game where it calls for a right back and Sana Obed use right back. Now, in the case of Prince Anderson, Asante Kotoko have been doing training, Kotoko pictures posting. There are times our camera need be a capture boy and Obama for a so he's also training with the team. Now, video analyst for no and come with and actually say Nsoatreman is a teamer. They operate through the middle channels. Channel on use so finfin finfin use pa. Therefore, Ogum feels that there's no need to touch the midfield for Andrews, Sharif. Again, also the another number 10 because now Lamptey before the Shadrach Ado and Ebebono. Shadrach Ado will play ahead of Zezen based on what I'm picking him. Or person beside the a central midfielder about wings or now as experiment na because when you take one central midfielder in Andrews in team or Sharif Mohammed na call right back, what it means is that when you see right back, when you see pillar in your middle, you see pillar in your right back. So for what I'm picking is between Sharif Mohammed defender Sharif Mohammed and Prince Anderson now a defender na may pick se coach no ebe use omo because based on enram command na course with team no amensa kan the coach do not want to make maybe a do sim team enu enkobo ho never na say my could change Sharif Mohammed and maybe a Sadrakado a new midfield threat. That's why 2 changes on the midfield on the boy against him. Your friend Bichim on person by so Sharif Mohammed or Prince Addison and a ball. As at Sabria no Case. On my technical meeting at 10 and don't be decided the confirmed lineup. I will be man paying for the better system. But now common dear no and I'm a demo. Prince and Sharif Omuba Akone ball. Then Andrew Sintiman Sharif Mohammed Shadrach Ado. A midfield train. Front train, what I'm picking is that you keep them. You keep the front train. Where you'll be Kalu, Infigi, and Abrantia, your friend Peter Aqua. That is what I'm picking from Asante Kotoko. To be able to be my Danlad, Sharif Mohammed or Prince Anderson for right back. Nicholas Henry Ansu Yusuf Nuruddin, Sharif Mohammed Andrew Sintimenu, Shadrach Ado, Peter Aqua, Kalu Watara, George Infigi. We and the numre na omabo pa and about 10 on technical meeting now on decided on confirmed lineup. This is the possible lineup as Obed TV. Yedi ti do mu I will yakako chen yedi April. We are confirmed one about the best sinkunya near breaking it down. Yeah, mom. Yamen come on. Bye bye.